Hey, Gaurab here. So, are you looking to create videos for your YouTube channel without showing your face and without using your voice, and you don't have a lot of time in your hand? So, I am going to show you a strategy that you can use to build highly professional YouTube videos in just 20 to 30 minutes, and you don't need to show your face, you don't need to use a voice, and it takes just few minutes of your time. YouTube is one of the best ways to make money online and to get traffic and to build a brand. I really think that YouTube is going to overtake Google, and I have seen tons of YouTubers going from 0 to 100,000 subscribers and to even millions of subscribers in a very short span of time. And they leverage their audiences to build multi-million dollar businesses, and I am sure that you have seen that too. Of course, I want to tap into YouTube, but the problem is YouTube is very, very complicated. You need to post tons of videos, be consistent, create high quality videos, and then figure out how algorithm works. So I needed a easier way where I don't need to show my face or use my voice, because that's the only way I could scale a YouTube business very fast. Over the past few months, I tried dozens of softwares, and finally I found one that is working really great for me. And I've been using this software for the past 30 days, and I created a brand new channel called Millionaire Traits. You can check it out in the description below. And I have been posting one video every single day using this software, and we have grown to like 350 subscribers right now, but it's growing very fast, and I'm sure that I will be able to scale it to at least 10,000 subscribers in next 3 to 4 months. And the best thing is, these videos, people are actually loving these videos. They are sending me likes, they are commenting on these videos. The watch time duration is great, and if you create good thumbnails, your CTR is going to be great. So these are the things that YouTube really looks for in a channel, and I think that we are doing a pretty good job so far. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create these videos without showing your face, without using your voice. That takes just 20 minutes of your time, and make sure you watch till the end, because I'm going to show you a secret trick that you can use to create longer videos using this software. But before moving ahead, make sure you like and subscribe, as I'm going to keep posting more videos on how to build a long-term sustainable and unshakable business online. So let's get started. The step number one is you need to get your script ready. So what I'm doing right now is I have outsourced some of my scripts to Fiverr. You can go and look for YouTube scripts, and there you'll find a lot of people who are willing to write 1,000 words script for just $10 or $15. So I had given few orders, and they gave me pretty decent scripts. So I used Fiverr to create first few of my videos. Next thing you can do is you can write them yourself. Okay, so I have an employee who is writing scripts for me right now, and I'm also looking into one of the AI-based software to write scripts for me. So I will keep you updated about those. But for this video, I am going to take one of my script and turn it into a video. So once we have the script, next thing is you need to use a tool called InVideo. So this is the same tool that I have been using. This is a tool that I have been telling you about. Okay, if you go to my projects, you can see that I have created a lot of videos using this. These are all the finished projects. So I have created a tons of videos using InVideo. Okay, so to get started, you just need to go and click on create, select text to video, and now you need to select the size. Next, there are tons of templates, so we need to select one of the story templates. Okay, so we are going to select one of the template. Let's say we want to use this one. Okay, so white 16:9, use this template. Now what I will do, I'll just go and copy my entire article from here, and I'm going to add it to story. Okay, now they will say that your script need to be below 30 sentences, but they allow up to 50 sentences, 50 scenes, which is 50 scenes. I will tell you what those scenes and sentences are and how they connect. So once I've done that, I will click on next, and I'm sure that they are not going to allow me. Okay, rearrange text. Let's try and do next. So I have reached a limit of 50 sentences. So what I do to overcome this problem is I copy the article and I take them to a tool called toolsfornoobs.com, online tools, count lines online. I paste it here and I count the lines to, it says that I have 62 lines here. So I need to make sure I have only 50 lines. So what I'm going to do is I am going to combine few lines. Okay, 61, just so now I have 49 sentences. So we are going to use 49 sentences because one of the sentence they are going to use it as a scene for the headline. So once I've done that, they will allow me to import my article. So here is our scenes. So what we have is we have the text, we have all the slides, and most of these slides are images. So you can keep the images or you can change the images and use videos instead. So what I really like to use the videos. So what we are going to do is you'll see that there are a few sentences which are very long. So we are just going to divide them into few smaller sentences, so that there are not a lot of text on one scene. So if there are, let me show you. So if there are one long sentence, okay, so if there is just one sentence, then it's going to show like this, and we don't want it to look that way. So we are just going to go and divide it into 3 texts. So now when they play this scene, first this will play, then this will get shown, and then this will get shown. So we will go and find all the long sentences and divide them into smaller sentences, so it's easier for our viewers to read it. So the next thing is we need to go and change the images, and it's pretty simple. They have some very high quality footage here. So I just use premium media because if you use iStock results, they have limited number of, you can, I think if you have a membership, you can use like 10 iStock results per month, but they have a lot of good videos in the premium media, so I don't really use them. Okay, so to achieve your dreams faster, so let me find a relevant video for this. Okay, this look pretty good. And you'll see that there are 3 sentences, so I am going to use 3 videos. Okay, so also one thing I want to tell you that it's not necessary that you just add one video. You can have more than one videos in each of these sections. You can even have 4, you can even have 5. They will auto adjust it. I will show you. Okay, so in this I'm going to add few more videos. Okay, and just some random things. Okay, I think that's enough for this video so far. So next thing is we are going to preview our video, how it looks. Okay, now we don't have any voiceover here, but I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover. Okay, so you will go to advanced editor and you will click on one of the slide, and I want to tell you one thing. They have voiceovers, but I didn't really like the quality of the voiceover, so I use another software to create my voiceovers, and I then just upload that voiceover into this, and then I adjust the timeline and I then just export it. So let me show you how I do it. First what we are going to do is, these slides, some slides are very long. So what I like to do is first create the automated text to speech voiceover. Okay, let me select maybe Joey, generate. and I want the voiceover for sorry, I want the voiceover for all the scenes. So in just maybe few seconds, it will add a automated text to speech for all the scenes that you have in this video. Okay, so it's done. Our total video, it's come to about 7 minutes 52 seconds. So let me just play it for you here a little. I just want the background music to be lower. Let's make it 5 7. Okay.
10 ways to achieve your dreams faster when you feel like giving up. We all know that achieving your dreams is difficult, but it can be even more difficult when you feel like giving up. You think that nothing is going right and you're not doing well.
So you see, voiceover is this is not something I would like, and I don't think like if you use this on YouTube, you might get some views and subscribers. But I think if you want to, really make it a full-time business, I think you need a better voiceover quality. So what I do is I use a software called Speechlo. So I just take all my script and I paste it here. Just do it for some till 0.1. And once I have it here, I need to add commas, commas, so that it doesn't sound very robotic. So let me do that. I'm going to put commas where I think there should be breaks. We might not use these commas and breaks while writing, but actually while speaking. Okay, we are just going to go with this, and for the voice you can use, there are some very good voice. So I like to use like friendly tone. You can use Willy. There's Owen. What I use is, I'm going to tell you that what voice I use exactly. I'm using Andrew, and I think he is very good.
My name is Andrew.
Okay, so we are just going to generate the voice over, and once it's ready, we're just going to download it. Once I have my voiceover ready, I am going to go to in video and add my voiceover. You can also record voiceover using your own voice if you want to do that, but I like to use Speechlo. It saves a lot of time in recording and then editing your voiceovers. So I'm just going to import from my upload media.
Ten ways to achieve your dreams faster.
Yeah, it's great. It sounds great. Okay, so I'm just going to add it here. Okay, so I have got my voice over here, and the reason why I generated the automatic voiceover is because if we are using any other software, we need to manually go and check the timelines here. But now I have a video where I don't know, it's not accurate, but still I get a idea that where the scenes are ending and where the new scenes are starting. For example, you see this waveform is ending here, so most probably the first slide is going to end here. Okay, so I have added my voice over here. So let me show you how it works, but first let me see if I can adjust the waveforms. So this sentence is ending here, so I'm just going to put it here, and this I'm going to put it here. All you need to do is just go through the video once, and you will be able to adjust this, and it's very easy. It takes me maybe 5 minutes to adjust all these timelines, maybe less than that. Okay, so let me play the video now with a new voiceover.
10 ways to achieve your dreams faster when you feel like giving up. We all know that achieving your dreams is difficult, but it can be even more difficult when you feel like giving up. You think that nothing is going right, and you're not doing well. It's at times like these when you need to push yourself even harder to reach your dreams, because no matter what anyone says, they are still possible. It's easy to get discouraged and lose hope in your goals when life gets tough. You may have been feeling this way for a while now, but don't give up. Because it is times like these when you have to have the most motivation. Take a step.
So you saw, it's pretty accurate, and it took me very less time. And you can create your videos like this in just 15 to 20 minutes. And that's what I have been doing so far. And I hope that you really like this video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link to the video for the same script that I created using InVideo. And you can go and check it out there, like how it turned out to be. So that's a different video, okay? But you can check out that how it looks. Also, there are a ton of things that you can do with InVideo to make this video more better. You can change the music. You can change the music here. You can select the mood. What I use is inspiring, and then you can also add a logo. Okay, add logo to all the scenes. And then if you want to change the color of the text, you can even do that. I don't want to change the text color, but I want to change this red thing. So fill color, I will choose this and just make it green. And I will just click on change all, and it will change the color on all these lights, And I can also do this. I can add more text. I can add stickers. I can add overlays, I can add masks, shapes, and tons of things. So the video we created is the basic video, and we do that because it takes very less time. If you want to create high quality videos, you can even add all those things that you find here. But I think this kind of videos is enough for now, because the main goal is to create tons of videos, get results, and see what's working and what's not working, and then scale on the things that's working. So that's how I create my videos, and you can go and check out my channel. I will leave a link in the description and see all the videos that we are uploading. These two softwares have become very important part of my YouTube channel business, and if you want to get them, go to the link in the description below and get them. And they are affiliate links, and if you buy them through my link, I will get a commission, but I will really appreciate it. The reason why we are doing this is if we go by the traditional way, just like the way we are doing in this video, I need to set up my cameras, my equipments, then we need to record a video, then edit them, add voiceovers, and there's a lot of work, and it's really difficult to scale a channel very fast with that, unless you are an expert, you know how to create super high quality videos, and you know copywriting and tons of other things. It gets very complicated. With this strategy, you can create tons of videos very fast, get them out every single day, test what's working and what is not working, and once you have find the sweet spot, you can keep creating these videos, very easily. You can totally outsource this business, and it will make money for you. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, just comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you. Thank you so much.